Hi children, welcome to class 11 Health and Physical Education online class. Today we are going to learn about introduction to asanas, pranayam, meditation and yogic kriyas from unit 5 yoga. Asana. First of all, let us learn about meaning of asana. To sit in a comfortable position or posture for everlasting period is called asana. According to Patanjali, asana means sthiram, sukham, asanam. It means the position which is comfortable and steady. In asanas, there are various positions to make the body organs and glands more efficient and finally improve the health of the mind too. Asanas are helpful to physical, mental development, prevention, and control of diseases, delaying aging, etc. There are three classification of asanas: meditative asanas, relaxative asanas, cultural or corrective asanas. Padmasan, Siddhasan, Swadhikasan, Samasan, Veerasan, Gomakasan, etc. are the best asanas in meditative category. These asanas can be done before performing meditation. In relaxation asanas, Shashankasan, Shavasana, Makrasana, etc., these asanas remove fatigue and relax individual physically and mentally. In cultural and corrective asanas, there are so many. They are Sirsasan, Sarvangasan, Matsyasan, Halasan, Bhujangasan, Vajrasan, Shalabasan, Dhanurasan, Chakrasan, Vajrasan, etc. These asanas provide energy to the body. The next topic is pranayama. We can say it pranayam. Pranayam comprises of two words, prana and ayam. Prana means vital energy or life force, but ayam means control. So, pranayam means the control or regulation of life force or vital energy. There are three parts of pranayam. First one is Purak, second one is Rachak, and the third one is Kumbhak. Purak means inhalation, Rachak means exhalation, and Kumbhak means retaining the breath. But there are two types of Kumbhak. First one is internal Kumbhak, and the second one is external Kumbhak. To retain the breath after complete inhalation is called internal Kumbhak. But to retain the breath after complete inhalation is called external Kumbhak. Types of pranayam. Children, here we are just going to learn the types of pranayam. We will just learn the names. The explanation of all these are not in our syllabus. They are 8 types. They are Surya Bedi Pranayam, Ujjayi Pranayam, Sheetkari Pranayam, Sheetli Pranayam, Bastrika Pranayam, Baramari Pranayam, Plavini Pranayam, Morcha Pranayam. The another topic is meditation. Meditation is called Dhyan. It is a prior stage of Samadhi. Meditation is a process of complete stability of mind. The concentration of mind on an impulse without any divergence is called meditation. The way we can see an object directly in front of our eyes, in the same way, if we are able to clarify the object in front of our internal eyes, it is called meditation. When the stage of imagination is deep and the image of a particular object is seen. Children, meditation is not a practice, but it is a stage in which there is a continuous dynamic consciousness without any obstruction. That is why meditation is not practiced, but that is a stage to be attained and experienced. Shatkarmas and Shuddhikriyas. Children, Shatkarmas or Shuddhikriyas are set of 6 purification techniques. Our body is like a machine, so we also need inner and outer cleanliness for good and smooth functioning like machines. Normally, we do outer cleaning, but inner cleaning is little difficult. These Shatkarmas or Shuddhikriyas can be used for inner cleanliness. There are 6 actions in Shuddhikriyas. We are going to learn the names of those Shuddhikriyas. They are Neti. It is a nasal cleaning through water and tube. Second one is Dauti. It is an internal cleaning technique. The third one is Basti. It is yogic enema. The fourth one is Nauli. It is abdominal churning. The fifth one is Tratak. It is a concentrated gazing. The sixth one is Kabalpati. It is frontal brain cleansing. You can see most of these Shuddhikriyas performed by yoga experts. Today we have learned a small introduction about asanas, pranayama, meditation and yogic kriyas. Thank you children. Have a good day.